Hi, this is 1000. He makes lots of art videos and he inspired me to create a Fiverr page. It says, I will draw any animal you want and send you a printable PDF. It can be a pet or just your favorite animal. I have the basic, which is going to be in black and white, the standard, which is in watercolor, and the premium, which is in watercolor and some flowers. And I left this gig up for 24 hours. Okay, so we got 19 orders. I have 7 days to complete them all, so this will be a challenge. Let's start with the first order.
Hello, my daughters are obsessed with tigers and dragons. Would it be possible to get a project with 2 images, even if one is mythical? Thanks so much.
A tiger and a dragon, this is gonna be fun. Let's start sketching. I've drawn tigers quite a few times before, but this is for sure the first time to draw it with a dragon. Now with the ink. I'm using a water resistant pen so it wouldn't smear when I add watercolors. Now let's color it in. I want the dragon to stand out against the tiger, so let's make him blue. Okay, this one is done, so let's sign it. Now I will scan it and turn it into a print. Here are your printables. I hope your daughters love them. And send. First one delivered, we're off to a good start. Let's move on to the next one.
Hi, sorry for the blurry pictures. Those are the only pictures I have left of my Roxy. Thank you for taking the time to do this, I really appreciate it.
This is gonna be a difficult one, but let's see what I can do. Okay, what do you think? Time to scan and edit. Here's your little Roxy, I hope I did it justice. Okay, next.
This is Sampa, our late Sealyham Terrier. Thank you in advance.
Oh, he's so cute. Here's your cute little guy. I love him so much. I hope you like it. And the liver. We have a lot to do, so let's speed things up a bit.
Oh, that's an okay picture of Tiny the very lazy Jack Russell. This is Valerie, thank you, she's my best friend's dog, her only child.
Hi, his name is Bronwyn. Hi, I'm getting this print as a present for my partner. This is our blue heeler, Gus.
I love your YouTube channel. Thank you so much. This kitty is named Lola.
Hello Aska, this is Swiffy. Thank you in advance.
Hello Aska. Her name is Sky. Thank you in advance. I love your work and I'm really looking forward to it.
I wasn't sure if I would be able to have my cat and dog, Milo and Emmy in the portrait, so I also included a picture of just Emmy by herself. Thank you so much.
Hello, I put in 2 orders and forgot which photo I submitted first. But the orange cat is named Hobbs and the grey cat is named Calvin. Looking forward to your amazing work.
Gozy is my baby's name, if you could please add that. His left ear has a little kink in it. This is my other boy, Hio, if you could please add his name, too. Thank you. His name is Remy, please add to drawing. Thank you.
Hello Aska. It's me again. I have already placed 2 orders and have one more question. I have a photo of 2 cats on a cat tree. Is there a possibility that you would draw this with watercolors?
I was hoping you could draw something simple with a lion and a small bunny. Thank you for sharing your passion for art. Your style really calms me down on some hectic work days. What a gift.
Oh, thanks so much, it means a lot. Okay, so I finished all orders in 7 days and it was a great challenge for sure, but it was also so fun, so I will definitely do this again. Now I want to say thank you to everyone who made the orders in this video. It was an honor. If you want to be one of the first to know when I reopen this Fiverr page, you can join my Patreon or follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.